See this wall right here? This wall is a great example of water never touching this wall. This wall is in perfect shape. Okay? It's nice and clean, no flaking, no cracking, nothing. It's because it's inside. It's in the interior. Contrast that with this wall over here. Bam! See that? Look at all that junk. All that flaking, yellow and brown. It's terrible. That's what happens when water collects against your house over a long period of time. And in this case, if I look up here a little bit, see these bricks? This is called spalling. Spalling is when water gets inside your brick, it freezes. When water freezes, it expands, as everyone knows. When water is inside your brick and it expands, your brick tries to expand. Not good for the brick. That's why when it expands, the brick face will pop off like this. That's why the brick looks like a big bite's been taken out of it. It's all flaky and weird. Not good. Not good for your bricks. And you can even see, if we get up close to this paint, see how it's kind of, I can just put my finger in there, the paint just flakes right off. Well, why might something like this happen, right? There's not even a downspout right here. Where could this water be coming from? Well, let's take a look real quick. So, this is the equivalent spot on the outside of the house. And as you can see, there's this little pipe here. It drips down right there. And this actually is rock hard right now. This pipe has been there, dripping water for a good 10 years. Now, I installed this hose on here just to get water away from the house. It's a little janky right now. I'll fix that up later. But my immediate goal was to stop water from collecting right there. This whole area right here is exactly where all that black, yellowish, horrible looking paint was on the inside. And the bricks on the outside look great. Everything's in great shape. No issue. But this little hill of dirt right here, see this kind of it's graded down. That's nice. But when water is just dripping in one spot, it's just going to sink into the ground. It's not going to roll down dirt. While I'm out here, I'll show you another issue. So this pipe is actually bringing water from the third floor way up there. So the water is coming all the way down this pipe, dropping out here. There's another AC unit, another compressor on the first floor, and it has an exit right here, just about 20 feet away. Now, as you can see, before this tube was here, it was dropping water right in this little corner, and it was all collecting in there, draining back inside the house right where the pipe comes out. It sort of defeats the purpose of the pipe. Now, I have the same sort of janky tube set up here just to get the water away from the house a little bit until I can put in a longer term solution. But this doesn't look good, right? This looks like crap, but it works.